Finally, after many months of promising progress and not getting a damn thing done, here we are, stage one. This is the cradle that will bolt onto the frame and hold the winch in this empty flat spot. I don't fancy myself a great welder, but I'm getting pretty good at grinding. Isn't that the joke? Are you a welder or a grinder? Obviously, I grind. Hopefully this is going to be strong enough. Started out with my arc welder. That's just not big enough. There it is, over there on the floor. I switched over to the MIG welder. I think I'm getting about half through penetration on both sides. So that should probably do it. Sure sounds like a freaking bell when I hit it with a hammer right now. So it kind of resonates like it's all one piece. But there we are. Over there under a pile of battery cables is the winch. Maybe I'll set it in there for an example. How inappropriate. Here we are. This is where the winch is going to go. And then there's going to be a faceplate across the front of that. So hopefully I'm getting this fairly straight. But the idea is that the frame is right here. And that side's still warm. Anyway, frame comes out to about right there. This is where it bolts onto the frame through the holes. And then this is how much extension is going to be onto the frame. In front of the frame coming forward. From here to here. And then I have as you can see, several pieces of metal over there. And one is going to become the front plate, goes across the whole front end of the vehicle, and then the others will be used to build a lid over the top of this, and then that'll be hinged so I can open it. And then there'll be a lid or step plates over the outside where the wheel rims are. And I got to build a lip along the bottom, which is why there's a smaller piece out there. And I need to build some gussets, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to strengthen this up more than just the weld. But there we are. A little bit of signs of progress.